For the past 6 years, I've been reviewing online learning platforms here on this channel. But before all of that, I was actually a teacher. So I know firsthand how much work goes into creating lessons, structuring content, designing activities, and building courses that people can actually learn from. And honestly, course creation takes a lot of time. So when I got the chance to try iSpring Suite AI and create an entire course using AI, I was genuinely curious to see whether it actually sped up the process. So if you're someone looking to create online courses, training programs, or e-learning content, then this video is for you. So what exactly is iSpring Suite AI? The easiest way I describe it is this. It's a browser-based course creation platform that uses AI to help build your online learning content much faster. One thing I immediately liked is how easy it is to get started. Because everything runs in the browser, there's nothing complicated to install or configure. You simply create your account, log in, and you're taken straight into the dashboard. Instead of spending hours starting from a blank page, you can upload existing materials like PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoint files, or even website content, and the platform helps turn that into a structured online course. What I personally like is how beginner-friendly everything feels. The AI can automatically build your course outline, organize your lessons, and generate content based on the materials you upload. Another thing I found useful is that you can easily refine your content as you go, whether you need to simplify complex topics, shorten a lesson, summarize key ideas, fix grammar mistakes, or create quiz questions. It can help speed up the course development process. On top of that, you can translate courses into multiple languages, which is especially useful if you're creating content for international teams. Before we go into building a course with AI, let's quickly talk about pricing. When it comes to pricing, there are really two plans you need to pay attention to if you want to access the AI features: iSpring Suite AI and iSpring Cloud AI. Both are available for individuals and businesses. So whether you're creating courses on your own or working with a larger team, there's flexibility depending on your needs. Starting with the iSpring Suite AI, it costs $1,290 per person a year. It's the more advanced package and includes the e-learning authoring tool, content library, and AI features. Then there's the iSpring Cloud AI, which is the more standard plan, priced at $720 per person or $2,160 for a team of 3. It offers a scrollable course builder and the AI-powered generator and features. One thing I genuinely appreciated is that both plans include a 24/7 customer support with real live agents instead of just AI chatbots or automated help articles. And honestly, this stood out to me during testing because I had a couple of questions while setting everything up, and every time I reached out, the support team responded quickly and were actually helpful. iSpring also offers a 14-day free trial, which I always like seeing because it gives you enough time to properly test the platform before financially committing. And if you're wondering about refunds, iSpring does offer refund requests, but they are reviewed case by case. After spending some time exploring the platform, I wanted to see how good the actual AI course creation experience was in practice. And honestly, this is where iSpring Suite AI started to impress me. For my test, I decided to create a course on leadership fundamentals, as it's a topic that's useful both in the workplace and in everyday life. To get started, I simply clicked Create Course with AI and entered a short description of what I wanted the course to cover. You can also upload your own materials such as PDFs or Word documents if you already have content you'd like the AI to work from. Within a few minutes, the platform generated the course details for me. If anything doesn't look quite right, you can easily edit it before moving on to the next stage. From there, iSpring starts building the structure of your course. Once the outline was ready, I clicked Open in Editor, and this is where I could really see everything coming together. On the left side, there's an outline tab that lets you navigate through the different sections and lessons the AI has created. What I liked is that the AI gives you a strong starting point without locking you into anything. If there's a section you don't like, you can rewrite it, regenerate it with AI, move lessons around, or add things like images, tables, and columns to make the content more engaging. And this is where I think the platform finds a really nice balance. The AI helps speed up the process, but you still stay in control of the final course design, instead of feeling like the software is doing everything for you. I also noticed that the AI can help improve your writing while you're building the course. So if a paragraph sounds awkward, too long, or unclear, you can use the AI tools to rewrite it, simplify it, improve the formatting, or generate additional ideas and explanations. One feature I particularly liked was the AI quiz generator. Instead of manually writing assessment questions yourself, you can generate quiz questions directly from the course content, which can save a huge amount of time when building training programs or educational courses. Overall, the entire experience felt surprisingly seamless. There's no complicated setup, no software installation, and no massive learning curve, which makes it especially appealing for teachers, trainers, coaches, and businesses looking to create courses quickly. So here is why iSpring Suite AI stood out to me. The biggest strength here is easily the speed of the workflow. If you've ever created online courses manually before, then you already know how long the process normally takes. Structuring lessons, organizing modules, writing assessments, and formatting everything properly can easily take days or even weeks. Here, the AI removes a huge amount of that initial setup work and its features feel genuinely useful. I also really liked how beginner-friendly everything feels. A lot of e-learning software can feel overly technical when you first open it, but here the workflow feels guided and intuitive from the start. Another thing that genuinely impressed me was the support team. Both plans include 24/7 customer support with real live agents, and every time I reached out during testing, the responses were quick, helpful, and actually solved the issue. Now, in terms of the downsides, I do think it's important to say that the AI-generated content still needs reviewing. The platform can absolutely speed up the process, but you'll still want to check your lessons carefully. Its plans aren't the cheapest out there, and there isn't a monthly option, so you'll need to commit for a full year. And finally, while you can work offline with iSpring Suite AI, the AI tools do require an internet connection, so that's worth keeping in mind if you often work offline. So let's wrap things up. I think iSpring Suite AI can be a really strong option if you're someone looking to create online courses, training programs, or e-learning content faster without dealing with overly complicated software. What stood out to me most is that the AI features actually feel practical and genuinely useful, rather than just being added in for marketing purposes. That said, I still don't think AI replaces good course design or instructional planning, and you'll definitely want to review and personalize the content yourself before publishing anything. But if your goal is to speed up the course creation process and remove a lot of the repetitive setup work, I can definitely see the value here. If you want to try it for yourself, I'll leave links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you've tried iSpring Suite AI or what platform you want me to review next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.